Did you know that this video ad you're watching right now was made using just a text prompt? No cameras, no crew, no editing, just pure AI magic using Leonardo AI's VO3. Today I tested 3 crazy prompts I found on Twitter, and we're about to break down the results. Buckle up, this stuff is insane. So first up, if you don't have a Leonardo account, go sign up, it's super fast. Already signed up? Great. Just log in, go to the image creation page, and click the little video icon on the side. That's where the magic starts. Choose the model VO3, crank the quality settings to high, and get ready to paste the prompt in. I've linked the exact prompts in the description below. Hit generate, and just wait a few seconds for your mind to be blown. Oh, and quick heads up, each video generation costs 2,500 credits. So yeah, it's not free, but if you're trying to make professional video ads in minutes, totally worth it. First up, imagine this. A cold Corona bottle sitting on a beach table. Chill, right? Then boom, the cap pops, and suddenly an entire beach rave explodes out of the bottle. Palm trees shoot up, lights string themselves in the air, speakers float into place, and sand transforms into a dance floor. A whole DJ booth builds itself from driftwood. It's like the bottle summoned an EDM festival. The result? Honestly unreal. It looked like a fully produced commercial. Smooth camera movement, cinematic lighting that shifts from golden hour to neon party glow. The pacing was perfect. It felt like something Corona would actually pay millions for. And we did it with AI. Like what? This is what VO3 can do with just one prompt. Wild. Next, we tested an IKEA-inspired prompt. This one was all about a sealed flat-pack box in a sunlit Scandinavian bedroom. Suddenly, the box starts shaking, bursts open. Everything from the bed to the lamps assembles itself like clockwork. And the final shot, a perfectly styled, cozy room with a yellow IKEA throw on the bed. It was super satisfying to watch. Fast assembly, clean design, and that warm natural lighting that makes everything feel peaceful and modern. It wasn't as explosive as the first one, but if you're in the product space or doing interior design content, this kind of AI video is gold. Smooth transitions, great lighting, zero camera needed. Now, for the third one. And this one's personal. I actually used ChatGPT to help me write a super detailed prompt for a McDonald's crispy chicken sandwich ad. I wanted more flavor, more motion, more everything. So I gave it all the details. Camera movement, sound, vibes. Copied the prompt, pasted it into Leonardo, and hit generate. The result. We start with a McDo crew member in a crisp red uniform walking confidently through a sleek kitchen. Then it cuts to the slow-motion sandwich build. Bun, zesty sauce, crunchy chicken fillet, the whole thing. The sounds? Crazy satisfying. Then boom, we're outside during golden hour. A group of friends
That's not a
laughing
sandwich.
as one takes a
That's
bite.
an experience.
He pauses, looks up and says, "That's not a sandwich. That's an experience." No narration, no text, just pure vibes. It looked like something straight out of a real ad campaign. So here's my honest take. VO3 is a beast. If you want professional-looking videos from just text prompts, this is one of the best tools out there. Yeah, it costs credits, about 2,500 per video. But if you're smart with your prompts, it's 100% worth it.
The sauce should be
The
illegal.
storytelling power here is crazy. And yo, check the link in the description for free AI prompts you can use right now to generate your own videos. You don't need to code. You don't need a studio. You just need the right words. I'm out. Catch you in the next one.
This isn't just heat. It's bold, spicy, crispy goodness.
That's not a sandwich. That's an experience.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.